Here we have number 5. We're assuming the parabola is in this form. Match the a coefficient with the best graph. So the easiest way to think about a equals to 1, that this is the normal parent function. And this is when a is greater than 1. So this is very tall, right? This is also referred to as a vertical stretch. 0.25, that is in between 0 and 1. This is when it is very wide. As a result of being wide, it was vertically compressed. And the last one, this is when a is negative. A is negative. This is the one that it is reflected over the x-axis. All right, so the only one that is reflected over the x-axis, it is this one, the first one. Then let's take a look. Let's see which one is the widest one. This looks like it is the widest one right here. The second one, the tall one, is a equals to 4. That is super tall, vertical stretch. And the last one would be defaulted as the normal parent function of a equals to 1.